pitiful. Okay, so I have a situation. As you know, I sell on eBay, which I haven't actually had anything selling in a while, but last night before I went to bed, I listed a bunch of stuff. Well, I listed 5 things. This one, I got a pending offer this morning when I got up. I listed it for $999.95 for $1,000. And I got an offer for $400. So I went and looked. I'm looking through. I'll probably block out the sellers' names, but I don't see any bad feedback, and I don't see any hint that this is a problem buyer either. Because, you know, if one of the really bad problems that eBay has, at least I think they still have it, is if you're the seller, you can't leave bad feedback for the buyer. You can only leave positive feedback, I think. You might could leave neutral, I don't know. So what you have to do is you have to give them positive feedback and then say something derogatory, which may or may not be removed. It just depends, I guess. Okay, now here, enjoy your plotter. As a sign company, used to be a sign company, I know what this is saying. This is a vinyl cutting plotter. That's what the software drives that I put online to sell. See, what I'm thinking is I may not get a better offer. That might be the maximum value of that outdated software. You know? I like all of these that's saying fast payment, good reliable payer, thanks for the immediate payment. Although I did put on the listing, when paying with PayPal, if I accept the offer, it has to be paid immediately. So I have had some issues with that. You accept their offer and then they take a month to pay or something. I don't want to fool with that. So then if we look at, I don't want to scroll too far and reveal their name. They might want their privacy. Although I could block it out if I messed that up. We have feedback left for others. Now this is a little bit disturbing. The feedback is all over 90 days old, so maybe he quit leaving feedback for others. I don't know. Okay, so I had to block out his name and stuff. But the offer price is $400. Expires in 13 hours. Okay, it expires in 12 hours, 47 minutes. I could make a counter offer, or I could decline the offer, or eBay is trying to get you to accept the offer, making that the easiest button to see. Which I'm more leaning toward accepting the offer, because I don't know, I don't think I'll get another offer, to be honest with you. I priced it higher than I really thought. And I don't see it on here. Nope. So I've had 8 page views. But I included the little dongle thing. And that's what everybody that wants the software really wants. They want the little key thingy there, the parallel port thingy that allows the software to work. Because anybody could have the software, it just won't work. And it drives these vinyl cut. I can't actually point to both. Anyway, it drives these vinyl cutting plotters here. Now at $400, I don't know if I want to do all that or not. I didn't do a very good listing, did I? So what do you think? Should I accept the offer or not? Of course, by then I'll have already decided. That's what, about 40% roughly of the price? I don't think I'll actually get a better offer though. In the past, I've had mixed results. And when you're dealing with a higher price, I guess, I really wish I had kept statistics on that. It seems like when I counter offer, they don't follow through. They just decline and go on about their business. I think I've only had like one, and I'm having a hard time remembering if I've even had one accept the counter offer and go through with it. I think it's like either accept it or not in most cases, at least what I list. And I always, almost always, pretty much almost always list everything for a little more, not a lot more. I put on this listing, I think it don't say on here, but I think I had put on there to automatically accept any offer over 600 or 650. Here. So the difference between 400 and 600 isn't that much, although it's 50% more. Or what, 33% less? So it's really not 40% because I didn't expect to get $1,000. To be honest with you, I expected to get about 500 to 600. So it's not that bad, but it's a lot less than it's worth. A few years ago, that's $4,000 software. And now, I don't even think they sell the software as far as you buy it once and then you own it for eternity. I think now the only way to get it is the cloud stuff, which I absolutely cannot stand. That's why I don't like who is in people? Adobe. Their Adobe suite of stuff, that's the cloud suite. I absolutely despise that crap. They want you to pay a monthly prescription for the rest of your life. And I don't want to pay a monthly prescription for the rest of my life. And I ain't going to do that. So the other thing is, if I sell this, I may not be able to go back in the sign business, although I don't really intend on doing that. And the other thing you have to look at is computers don't have parallel ports that much anymore. And that's what the value is. I put that upside down because it actually has my numbers on the back of it on the other side. So I put it that way. Yeah, I think I'm going to accept his offer. Because, what will eBay and PayPal take? About 13%? So they'll be getting about $50, $52. And I should get 348. Is 348 better than nothing? I'm going to accept the offer. Let me know in the comments if you think I did the right thing, or did I blow this totally. Well, this is unusual. I had checked immediate payment. I wonder why it's not offered at this time. Although they're supposed to be paying through PayPal, so anyway. So I guess they're saying that his was a counter offer to what I was offering it up listed as. So it's now sold, awaiting payment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, especially subscribe, because I really need at least 500 subscribers. It wouldn't hurt to have 1,000 to get AdSense money, but I really need 500 subscribers as well. And ring that bell if you want to. Give me a thumbs up if you thought I did the right thing. Give me a thumbs up if I blew it totally. And thanks for watching.